everybody, so we are back at Urban Flea and this time it is even better and even bigger. So come down here to enjoy with your friends and family and kids and pets. Pet friendly bhi hai. So live music hai, live games bhi रहेंगी. We have shopping, amazing shopping experience, homegrown brands रहेंगे. And Shifa, yes, what do you like?
It's for 3 days. The vibe is just amazing. A perfect place for your evening outing with your family. So come down here for 3 days only and swipe left to check out the collection.
So you can also purchase beautiful pottery, like look at this. And we have cute mugs. Look at that. And come down here. You can actually make your own pottery here. So they have a class running. Hello. Look at that. These are all the products that you can get customized.
We have an all arts section. Just check this little kid enjoying the art section here. You can actually sit here and create your art. You can actually bring your pets here. They brought their husky. And then let's move on to some clothing. Something like this, very pretty. And they've got these cool kaftan style dresses, long dresses if you want. Beautiful section. Something unique and cool. Check this out. We are a small street food brand based out of Ahmedabad, and every season we try to come up with 2 collections which are unisex, and we do denim mainly for streetwear, and we're looking at creating denims in such a way that they sort of emphasize your shoes, because we are seeing that sneaker culture is increasing a lot over here. So our denims are inspired by that. Okay. So this year we have done glitch as a theme. Okay. So you have the pixels over here. So this is inspired by that. And then you have the splice where we are sort of creating an illusion of a cut.
Right. And I love what you are wearing.
Yes, and that's the flair.
I love it. So easy.
It's very easy. It's easy breezy. It's perfect for Ahmedabad summer.
It's really cool. Yeah. Thank you.
So we have some beautiful home decor for you guys. Just check this out. This cute little carpets, alag-alag pattern or design में. Very pretty. Something very cute like this. And then they have entire cushions, wall hangers, and then some cool macrame shirts like this, crop shirts, denims, sling bags, and what not in macrame category. Something like this.
Very nice. Mobile strap.
And then we have cute
Mobile strap.
Yes. And then cute little kids wear. Beautiful shirts for your boys. Something like this.
Oh wow, that's so cute. Yeah.
This. Cute. Very cute. So this entire section for kids collection. Maisha with their beautiful bag collection, and this time they have clothing options as well, cool tops and dresses. Let's see some of the bags. They've got tote bags, handbags like this, beautiful collection. Let's check this out. A lot of bags that you get here. They've got cute little potlines as well. थोड़ा सा boho look के लिए. Like this, mobile covers, sling bags. A lot of bag collection.
So they also have vacation wear and resort wear, as you can see here. And they have really cool dresses, like very flowy, best for summers. They have short dresses like that. And let's move on to something else, all handmade. So this brand here is Crochet Hands. They have all crochet, handmade products. Then we have stationery. You can plan your day. They have planning. We have cute jewelry, perfume. Customers हर जगह full है. And they have organic products. Perfumes again.
Hi there. There's a fragrance.
So if you're Bandhesh lovers, this is the entire store only for Bandhesh products. We have something really cute. We have some dresses. Then we have What's that? Oh, that's everything is handmade. Everything is coated with textured halter necks with all these flowers and beautiful colors. Definitely come.